if you are setting up a C++ programming environment on an older i9 MacBook Pro running macOS Monterey, which is the best OS for this hardware, and you are using Homebrew to install the cmake build system for C++, you will get this warning here, which essentially is telling you that Monterey is too old for Homebrew to install cmake. And it's telling us to use MacPorts instead. For those of you who are younger, MacPorts was the predecessor to Homebrew. So for older hardware and operating system like this, MacPorts makes perfect sense. So in the MacPorts download website, you have a link to download Monterey. Now I will provide a link to this downloads page in the video description for you. You would install MacPorts like any other Apple software. I am overly simplifying MacPorts here, but it can do a lot more than just installing old software. I'll let you read the docs on your own. You can verify successful installation of MacPorts on your computer by running the port command in the terminal. There is the version there, and I just simply type quit to get out of this prompt. So from here, you will issue the port install cmake as sudo user. And then we'll verify the cmake version that we have. Now that we have cmake, we can use the clang compiler to compile this simple C++ program for us, and then we'll execute the executable. Woof. And as a reminder, you need to install Xcode first before you do any of this stuff. And the Xcode version that goes with Monterey operating system is 14.2. I have another video that shows you how to install this older Xcode version. And then once you have Xcode installed, you're going to run this command here, xcode select install, which will install the compiler for both C++ and for C. C and C++ are two amazing computer languages for this older Apple hardware. Okay? Have fun, like and subscribe. Thank you.